Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope all of you fine. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana, an assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a computer class for class 3. Dear students, our today's lecture 4 and homework also 4, and our today's topic chapter 2, rest of the part reading done, and short question number 2. Now let's move on our class. In our previous class, I have taken page number 16 and 17, and today I am going to take a page number 18, 19 and 20. Okay. Now joystick is a input device, and joystick is like a stick. It is generally used to play video games, and it is used to play video games. Now light pen is also a input device, and it is you can say it is a pointing device. Light pen is like a pen. It is used to write in computer. Okay. Now page number 19. Output device is also a part of hardware that can help to give the information. When we enter or give any information to the computer, output parts show that information through its output devices. So some common output devices are given below: monitor, printer, plotter, and speaker is also output devices. So monitor is commonly known as visual display unit, VDU. We can say short form in VDU, visual display unit. Monitor is the main output device of a computer, and monitor is called standard output device. So monitor is called standard output device. Now printer is the most important output device. Printer is used to print information on a paper. Types of printers: here are two types of printers, one impact printers and non-impact printers. Now plotters. Okay. Plotters is used to print. A plotter is a computer hardware device like a printer, which is used for printing pictures or graphics. Instead of toner, plotter used pen, pencil, marker or other writing tool to draw pictures. Okay, dear learners, now move on. Question number 2. Question number 2 is write down about a CPU. Okay, the CPU is the most important part of a computer. It is the brain of a computer. Most of the computer's work is done in the CPU. The CPU can do fast calculations, and it helps the computer remember things. Okay, dear learners, your homework SQ number 2. Homework SQ number 2. I hope understood our today's topic, and do your homework and submit your homework every Saturday and 9 AM to 1 PM. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.